Hey, I'm Mr. Pat, and I'm from Pakistan AutoTechnics, and today, we're doing something really exciting. We're going to mount a complete engine into a Toyota Hilux, so stay with us, because this is going to be one hell of a job. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're seeing here, we got our engine hoist set up, the yellow crane you can see right there. The team is now carefully attaching the heavy-duty chains onto the engine. Now this is super important. You have to make sure those chains are properly balanced and secured before you lift anything. One wrong hook, and that engine's going nowhere good. Now the engine is being lifted off the ground using the hoist. You can see it's a diesel engine, complete with the gearbox and transmission attached. This is a heavy unit. Guys, we're talking easily 300 to 400 kilograms here. The whole team has to work together, one person on the hoist, others guiding the engine so it doesn't swing or hit anything. Now here's where it gets really technical. The engine is now being carefully guided and lowered over the Hilux's engine bay. You can see the front of the vehicle is completely stripped. The bumper, the front panel, everything has been removed to give us maximum access. This is the right way to do it. Always remove the front assembly so you have full visibility and room to work.
ये लो पकड़ो ऑन तो करो ऑन बिना ऑन किए ऑन करोगे तो होगा ना अबे तो ऑफ किया हुआ था तुमने किया ही नहीं ऑन.
Look at the team here. Everyone has a role. One guy is managing the hoist chain. Another is guiding the engine from the front, making sure it lines up perfectly with the engine mounts on the chassis. The Hilux frame is strong, but you still have to be very precise when dropping the engine in. Any misalignment and those engine mount bolts won't line up, and that's a big problem. The engine is now being slowly seated into position. You can see the mechanic is checking underneath, making sure the transmission is aligning with the gearbox tunnel inside the cabin. This is the most critical step of the whole process. The engine has to sit perfectly level on both mounts, left and right side. The team is making small adjustments, pushing and guiding it into the exact spot. Once the engine is seated, you can see the team is already starting to bring back the front support panel and radiator support frame. Two of the guys are holding it up and lining it back onto the body. This front structure holds your radiator, AC condenser, headlights, everything. So it has to go back on perfectly aligned with the body panels. And there you have it. The engine is in the bay, seated, and the reassembly has begun. From here, the team will bolt down the engine mounts, reconnect all the wiring harnesses, fuel lines, coolant hoses, and exhaust, and then button everything back up. It's a long process, but this right here, the engine drop, is the heart of the job. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Pakistan AutoTechnics. We bring you real workshop work, real skills, no shortcuts. I'm Mr. Pat, and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.